Hello and welcome back to my desk. Well, not actually my desk, but my kitchen counter, because my desk is extremely cluttered and the lighting in there is terrible. So we're going to do this unboxing on my kitchen counter. So it's Spotlight Stationery time again, and this is the August box. Arrives to me in Ireland around the end of August, so maybe it's the September box. I'm not really sure how these things work. As always, covered in blue paper, and reaching in we can begin to see some of the items. The theme for this month is red and black, and as you can tell from the fact that I didn't have to rip open the sticker, I have at least peeled back the sticker and spotted some of the items in here, but I haven't had a read look. So let's get to it. First up, as always, is the envelope that will have the postcards in it of the artists that Spotlight Stationery are working with this month. Handwritten on the envelope, lovely. I'm not sure how many subscribers they have, so how many envelopes they're having to write. Well now, the theme of this box may be black and white, but we've got an amazing floral card. I do like a little bit of vintage floral. Oh, and very cute. I'm not normally into cute. There's little toadstools, and I think one of my nieces will like that card a lot for decor in her new bedroom. Next up is a rather odd robot man. Not really sure about that one, although it's quite something. Oh, well now, that is just adorable. I do like mice. And then of course this is the card that lets you know about each of the individual artists. Now, next up, an old school, and of course it's, you know, you go to say Pentel and you're thinking, is it Pentel? I don't actually know. Nice Pentel pen. Let's have a quick scribble. Oh, nice black. We do like a black. It's a good standard pen. I'll certainly keep that in the collection. A nice fine point. In here, we have a notebook. Let me see if I can get this open quickly. Probably not, and I don't want my reflection showing. Bear with me 1 second. Here we go. We're having some success. I should really keep a blade with me. Moment of truth. Let's open. Let's see if we can get this to focus. Dots, hurrah, I get to keep this. Next up, oh, very interesting. This seems to be from a company called Paper-O. Black, very interesting texture on the front there, like corrugated card. Quick open, blank, happy, happy days. Another notebook for me, and apologies to all of the family who don't get to get this notebook. An 80-page unlined, designed in Berlin and Vancouver. Excellent. I'll be in Berlin next year, and I was in Vancouver this year. Oh, that's a delightful little card. Some vintage bicycles. I do like that a lot. A couple of more items, pens. I think that will be it for this box. Yep, so let me put that to one side. It's actually going in the kitchen sink. And let's have a look at some of these pens. Oops. Now, I did learn from another video that these red blobs are removable and must be removed before you use the pen. Nice red pen there, apologies. Quite a fine tip on that. This one I'm having, oh, presumably you just pull off the cap. Oh, fountain pen of some description. Very nice. Let's have a look at that. Oh, red. Very nice. And Insofar as it is shaped like a fountain pen, it behaves more like an ordinary biro, which is good for me because I've absolutely no skill with a fountain pen. And the final pen, oh, I have no idea. You can see the nib there on that. Oh, okay, I'm not familiar with this style of pen at all, so I shall have to have a read. Seems to be a Japanese design, blade-like almost. The fountain pen is like any other pen we know. Just rotate the nib for a firm or flexible writing action. Excellent. Lovely. So that's everything from Spotlight Stationery. I really like this box. Both notebooks I can use, which as we know is unusual for me. Normally they come as lined notebooks, which of course I refuse to use. But I will use both of those notebooks, and again, an excellent size for work, very transportable. The postcards are more to my taste than last month's, so that's always nice as well. Apologies for the setup, a little bit rough and ready for this video. But yeah, another lovely box from Spotlight Stationery. Very pleased with that. Certainly be keeping everything in that box and using it over the coming weeks. Thank you.